information engaka. Kaloku Bobo. Bobo. No. For me, shame. Again, no. Do not recommend.
Yes, it happened. People fail their learners test 4 times or more simply because of lack of preparation. People are impatient. People want things to happen now. I spoke with many who just failed, and the biggest mistake they make is, booking a new date. Why do you book a new date online, not looking deep at things that made you fail? Why do you rush the process? What's the rush? You failed. Go home. Sit. Look at the category that gives you problems. If it's road signs, focus on road signs. If it's rules of the road, focus on rules of the road until you feel that you are ready. The reason why people fail repeatedly is because of they rush the process. And also the fact that people don't give themselves time to study. The book, they don't study. The app, they don't master the app. People want to cram. What happens if you get line of questions that you were not prepared for? You can't cram everything. That's the biggest problem. So if you're going through a learner's crisis, just know that you are not dumb. You are rushing the process. You are not giving yourself enough time. Make it a must that if it's 2 hours of your day, this will be dedicated to the app. If it's an hour, make sure that that hour you're not distracted. In that hour, you switch off phones. In that hour, you're not taking phone calls. In that hour, you're not doing anybody any favor. Simply because of people drain energy. There are those who will call you whenever they need you. There are those who will bring up stuff whenever they want you to help them with things. Make sure that you cut off all of that. Make sure that your friends and family know that between this hour and that hour, you are not available. Between this hour and that hour, you are focusing on your learner's app so that you can pass your learner's test. Simple as that. Give yourself time. I've seen many people contacting me days before their test. And when you start talking to them, when you start asking the right questions, they are not even prepared. But somebody lied to them. Somebody told them that you're ready, you can go. Don't betray yourself. Take your time. Go there knowing that you are even irritated by the amount of hours that you studied the app. How can this small thing take me so much, man? So much time. And you go there, you pass with flying colors because of you've been putting in the work. You've been focusing on your test. So ladies and gentlemen, put in the work. There is no shortcuts. I've seen the video of the other lady saying she doesn't understand why people are buying learners, why people are taking shortcuts with learners. I'm going to make the video next so that you guys can see the danger of buying the learners. Thank you.